Hey guys, it's your girl Adriana Alim and welcome back to another vlog. So today today is Sunday, what is it, March the 7th? I think it's March the 7th. So right now I've been like being lazy all day. I haven't been doing much of anything all day. Right now I'm about to cook dinner, so I'm gonna attempt to cook Cornish hens, and I've never cooked these before, so I figured I wanted to vlog it because I'm like one of those like cook as you go or make things up as you go type of person, and I feel like I feel it in my spirit this is gonna go good, but I also wanted to vlog it just to get some footage because I haven't like picked up the camera and vlogged in like days now. So yeah, so I just wanted to vlog this. So the first step I'm going to do, let me make sure my lighting is correct first of all because it be acting crazy. And oh, really quick, I just wanted to mention, I know sometimes I'm always on here with like a bonnet or a scarf or whatever the case may be, but if you see my last vlog, you would have seen that I am or I've started a new journey like with my short hair. So I'm trying to take it really seriously, but I actually tested COVID or positive. I keep saying that backwards for some reason, I don't know why, but I actually tested positive for COVID. Like it was like a little bit less than 10 days ago. I had a very mild case of COVID, thank God. I'm grateful to God for that because I know that people, you know, some people, it's been unfortunate for them. So I'm grateful that I did have a mild case of COVID. And what was I gonna say? Oh, so yeah, so with me being positive for COVID, I couldn't get my hair done. So, and my short hair journey is still in the stages of trying to be trained. So I've been trying to like do as much as I can do, but it still needs a lot more training. And yeah, like at this point, it's nothing else that I can do. I have to literally just finesse until I get, you know, until I'm able to make an appointment with my hairstylist. So that's why I have this on. I know it's not really that important, but I didn't want y'all to be like, she looking busted and crusted in this video. All right, so here is all the ingredients that I'll be needing for cooking today. I'm missing a couple, but I just felt like this was one of those days where I felt like, girl, just use whatever you got in your house. So I'm just using all the ingredients that I typically have in my house. So these are the Cornish hens. I'm using the Tyson Cornish hens, and they do feel thawed out. I took them out last night, so they do feel thawed out. This is just a half of onion, and I feel like that'll be just enough. I'm using a little bit of basil, garlic paste. So this is both garlic and basil paste. Some olive oil that'll help me do or mix up my you know, everything, my seasonings. A little bit of onion and herb dash. This is one of my favorite seasonings between this one and the garlic and herb dash. I love these two. But some garlic powder, red pepper seeds. You know, always my food always got to be a little bit spicy. Paprika, some obey, and some black pepper. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and first clean out my sink. So I'm gonna use a little bit because this is where I gotta wash like all of my wash my chicken. So I'm gonna use a little bit of Clorox and just spray it all in there. Spray it nice and good. I just got finished doing the dishes, so it might be a tad bit dirty already because of the leftover food, but yeah. And then I'm gonna go in with some bleach as well because we're washing our food in here. So again, you want to make sure you're being as clean as possible. Oop, I'll let it all just go out, whatever. But it is what it is. Well, I've cleaned both of the Cornish hens, and now I'm about to go ahead and cut up the onion. And what I'm gonna do is actually, so I'm sorry, I'm moving too fast. So for the way I cleaned them was I just cleaned it with like lukewarm water and some lemon. I didn't have like any vinegar to like pour inside, so the lemon acted as a substitute to like disinfect it and clean it. And then yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut up the onion and then stick pieces of butter and onion inside of the hen, and then I'm gonna go ahead and mix up my my seasoning mixture, and then I will be back. Alright guys, so this is my butter. So I'm going to go ahead and pour the seasonings in, starting with the onion and herb Mrs. Dash. Alright guys, so right now I went ahead and seasoned the back of it, and I just rubbed it like with my glove. And then what I'm going to do is go ahead and place it into the pans, and then once I put it in the pans, I'm going to season the top. Alright guys, so this is the chicken after I've put it in. I had to put it in 2 separate pans because clearly I didn't have a pan that is big enough to fit both of them. I'm not that far yet in adulthood to have good pans in my life, but these will definitely do for sure. So I went ahead and put the seasoning at the bottom like I showed you on the plate, and then I just flipped it over at the top and then put the rest of the seasoning on both of the tops. And then I went ahead and just added a little bit extra seasoning at the top because with like the mixture, like because it's a little bit loose, so the seasoning tend to like fall down to the bottom, as you can see in here. So I just put extra seasoning at the top so I can make sure it's very well seasoned. No parts are missing any seasoning, and you get good seasoning in every bite. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these in the oven. I do have the oven set on 350 degrees, so I'm looking at about 45 minutes to an hour. Then we're gonna come back and check on the chickens and see what's going on. Alright guys, so this is the finished product of my, oh I think I got it upside down. Okay, this is the finished product of my Cornish hens. So this one looks really good, and then this one is just a tad bit darker, but it still looks really good. And then I just made some fresh green beans and then some yellow rice on the side. So I'll go ahead and cut it and then plate it, and then we'll be all set to go. Alright guys, so this is my finished product of my meal. So it really did come out really nice. I'm impressed with the Cornish hen. It looks so yummy. Look at all those spices and those herbs, and then the fresh green beans and some yellow rice, and I added just a little extra seasoning to the rice as well. Alright guys, so that is the end of my meal. Thank you guys so much for watching me while I made this meal. I hope you like this video. I wanted this vlog to be longer. I don't know, I may add more footage to it because I kind of wanted to add like a long vlog. I don't know, we'll see, because I've been vlogging like off my iPhone and editing off my iPhone, but when I try to like upload it to YouTube, it like if it's a long video, it cannot handle I guess like the amount of time that the video is. So I think I might just cut it off here, and then I'll pick up with other activities that I got going on throughout the week. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate you guys watching my video. Don't forget to hit the like button if you did like this meal. Comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell button so you will be notified every time I post. All right, see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.